In the grand composition of kitchen design, the backsplash is often treated as the crescendo, the place where homeowners feel compelled to make a loud, patterned statement. However, in the disciplined world of minimalism, the backsplash plays a different, more subtle role. It is not there to scream for attention. It is there to bridge the gap between the cabinetry and the countertop with quiet elegance. A common misconception is that a minimalist backsplash must be a flat, sterile sheet of glass or plain white paint. On the contrary, the most successful minimalist designs rely heavily on the interplay of light and surface quality. By focusing on materials that offer tactile richness rather than color complexity, you can create a space that feels layered, sophisticated, and infinitely interesting. The goal of these timeless minimalist kitchen backsplash ideas that add texture is to introduce depth to the room without introducing visual noise, proving that silence can indeed be textured. The organic imperfection of zellage tiles. If there is one material that currently defines the warm minimalist aesthetic, it is the zellage tile. Originating from Morocco, these handmade clay tiles are the antithesis of the laser-cut, perfectly uniform factory tile. Each tile is slightly different in thickness, shape, and glaze transparency. When installed, this variation creates an uneven, undulating surface that interacts with light in a mesmerizing way. In a minimalist kitchen, a white or off-white zellage backsplash prevents the space from feeling clinical. Because the edges are chipped and irregular, the grout lines become part of the organic texture rather than a rigid grid. When natural light from a window or warm under-cabinet lighting hits the surface, the tiles shimmer like water, creating a sense of movement. This shimmer adds a layer of complexity that keeps the eye engaged, yet because the color palette remains monochromatic, the overall effect remains profoundly calm and uncluttered. The seamless drama of stone slabs. For those who lean towards a cleaner, more architectural form of minimalism, the slab backsplash is the ultimate luxury. This involves taking the same stone used for the countertops, be it marble, quartz, or quartzite, and running it vertically up the wall to the bottom of the upper cabinets, or even to the ceiling. This technique eliminates grout lines entirely, creating a seamless, monolithic look that is incredibly soothing to the eye. The texture here comes from the natural veining of the stone itself. A slab of calicatta with bold, gray veining acts as a natural mural, providing all the pattern the room needs without the busy repetition of tile work. To enhance the texture, consider a honed or leathered finish rather than a high gloss. A honed finish feels soft and satiny to the touch, absorbing glare and giving the stone a raw, authentic presence that feels grounded and substantial. The linear rhythm of Kit Kat tiles. Texture in minimalism can also be achieved through geometry. Kit Kat tiles, also known as finger tiles, are thin, rectangular strips of ceramic or porcelain, typically arranged vertically. While they are a mosaic, their extreme repetition creates a uniform texture that reads more like a fabric than a traditional tile pattern. The vertical orientation of Kit Kat tiles draws the eye upward, which is particularly effective in making low ceilings feel higher. To keep this look minimalist, the grout color is critical. High contrast grout, like black grout with white tile, will create a busy, vibrating pattern that dominates the room. Low contrast grout, like pale gray or white, allows the individual tiles to recede, leaving behind a subtle, ribbed texture that adds architectural interest. This linear rhythm provides a structured, orderly backdrop that complements the clean lines of modern cabinetry. The industrial warmth of microcement. For a raw, ultra-modern aesthetic that draws inspiration from industrial lofts, microcement, or concrete overlay, is a compelling choice. This material is troweled by hand directly onto the wall, resulting in a continuous, joint-free surface. Unlike paint, which is flat, microcement has a visible movement caused by the trowel marks, creating a cloudy, mottled texture that is incredibly tactile. While concrete is traditionally gray, microcement can be tinted to warm beiges, creams, or even charcoal. Its matte, dusty finish contrasts beautifully with sleek, stainless steel appliances or polished chrome fixtures. It is the visual equivalent of a plaster wall, soft, shadowing, and full of depth. Functionally, It is sealed to be water and stain resistant, making it a highly practical choice for the splash zone behind a sink or stove. It offers the unfinished look that is paradoxically highly finished and refined. Glass, beyond the standard sheet. Glass backsplashes have been a staple of modern kitchens for decades, but the dated, shiny, apple green glass of the early 2000s has no place in today's minimalist design. The modern approach to glass focuses on matte and mirrored finishes. Acid-etched or frosted glass offers a satin look that removes the harsh reflection of standard glass. It glows softly when lit, diffusing light rather than bouncing it hard around the room. Alternatively, an antique mirror backsplash can work wonders in a small, dark kitchen. Antiquing creates a smoky, distressed texture on the glass surface, which softens the reflection. Instead of seeing a perfect, high-definition reflection of your toaster and coffee maker, which doubles the clutter, you see a moody, abstract reflection of light and shape. This expands the visual space without the sharpness of a standard mirror, adding a layer of mystery and glamour. The subtle detail of beadboard. Minimalism often borrows from other styles, and cottage minimalism or shaker minimalism is a growing trend. Here, texture is introduced through beadboard or tongue-in-groove paneling. This wood or moisture-resistant MDF paneling features vertical grooves that add a quiet, rhythmic shadow line to the wall. When painted the same color as the cabinetry, beadboard creates a seamless, integrated look that feels like fine furniture. It is far softer and warmer than tile or stone, making the kitchen feel more like a living room. The vertical lines add structure, but because the material is uniform in color, it remains unobtrusive. It is a cost-effective way to add texture that feels traditional yet timeless, bridging the gap between a sterile modern box and a cozy home. Conclusion: the touch of silence. Choosing a backsplash for a minimalist kitchen is an exercise in restraint. It requires resisting the urge to decorate and instead choosing to curate. The most timeless designs are those that invite you to touch them. The rough edge of a clay tile, the cool smoothness of honed marble, the dusty warmth of concrete. These materials provide the necessary friction to keep a neutral room from sliding into boredom. By prioritizing minimalist kitchen backsplash ideas that add texture, you ensure that the kitchen remains a space of discovery. It becomes a room where the interest lies in the details, revealing itself slowly as the light changes throughout the day. In this way, the backsplash becomes the silent anchor of the room, providing a backdrop that is as durable as it is beautiful and as calming as it is complex.